This is Sun Chaser back again with another video of these beautiful fused glass pieces made in a very simple homemade kiln like this one over here. Thanks to all my subscribers, especially to Virgo84 and to Mona Lisa Skywatcher. You guys are awesome subscribers, so loyal. Thanks so much. This one's for you. Now we're going to melt these two marbles. They're standard, normal, plain marbles. And we're going to melt them in the microwave in my little homemade microwave kiln. There we've got them in the microwave. We're going to put the lid on and put it on for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes we'll check it, but it should be done by then. Okay, let's see if these are done. Yep, they're ready to come out. Right, here's the next piece we're going to fuse together. Amy's put this piece together. There's 2 layers of blue glass with some fine glass rods in between. Some black and some white. Let's stick the lid on, get it into the microwave and see how it turns out. Okay. Stick that in there, always on top of stands so that your glass microwave plate doesn't get too hot. Close this up and stick it in there for about 6 or 7 minutes. Alright, this one's cooled off and it's time to open it up and see what we got.
Beautiful.
Ah, wow, there we go. That's just 2 ordinary marbles from this collection over here. Let's take a look at it. Very nice. In the microwave at home with my... Okay, Amy's piece has cooled off now. So it's been about an hour. Never ever open it too early, otherwise the piece will crack if it cools too slowly. Let's see what we've got here. Hey, wow. It came out very nicely. It started off as a rectangle, ends up as an oval. Let's take a closer look. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you want to see how I make more of these beautiful pieces. I'll be making regular videos to teach you all about it.